Hello, my gardening family. Welcome and welcome back to another gardening with Stacey. So I'm here doing a voiceover simply because I had on the mic, but guess what? The mic was not miking. Apparently, I did not turn it on, and so the video is very low. So I'm getting the corns around this side. I'm just getting as much as I really can. Very tiny ones that I am leaving though until I am going to clean out this bed this week, hopefully. So I'll get those after, but I'm getting the more mature ones because I have a few persons that I want to share with. Not a lot, maybe two persons, yeah. So I am getting all of them, and I was having a full-blown conversation with you all. I was telling you about my yams, oh, they weren't being taken care of. Like, I feel so embarrassed, like I really like don't look after them the way they should be. Like, I hardly water them, and so they look dry out and stuff. And I was saying that I am going to challenge myself to do better in my garden. Like, I'm going to try to, because yes, I am grateful and my garden is doing well, but I think it can do better if I do the things that I is required of me. Like, for example, watering and feeding my garden. I don't as much as I should, or the plan that I had, because it's summer now, and oh, I'm telling you, I have to muster up the courage to go in the garden each time. Lovely corns, and I am getting a few more right here. How are you? How is everything going? How is your garden? Are you challenging yourself to anything? Are you doing anything new? Are you planning to do anything new? Like, I know it's summer, it's pretty hot, and so it's not easy going out in the garden, but we got to do what we got to do. We just have to prepare our minds each time for the summer. All right, so I think that is that for today. I have some scotches right here that I'm getting, and you can see some water there. Yeah, flooded out the place. I was watering and I leave the hose in one of the container. I forgot. But anywho, these scotches, they look so good. Take a look at them. Yeah, right beside my lovely corns. So I'm getting some other one over on this side. Not a lot. The answer, I'm telling you, that one, not good at all. So there are smaller ones on there. And like I said about the other patch, I'm going to take out these, and then I'm just going to get off those little ones, replenish the soil, and plant some more. So these okras I'm getting right here, and okras, I noticed that the ones that I'm growing now, I don't know if because of the heat, but they get big so quickly. Like, I have to keep an eye out. So when I see the smaller ones, like on this plant right here, I just get them right away. Because if I don't remember to harvest them by the other day or two, they get very hard. So I have a onion inside here, and I didn't remember it because the top broke off, and I was like, what, that lying down? Anyways, look at my basket. Looking good, isn't it? Yeah, I got those eggplants and I lost the footage. Well, I didn't lose the footage. I thought it was recording and it wasn't. Now, those eggplants, I'm not sure if they are good, but I harvest them nevertheless. So I'll see when I get inside. So I'm getting these cayenne peppers, and these I am going to actually share. I have one that I save seeds that I am going to sow those seeds. I have a lot of seeds to grow, to plant, and I just want to grow more food. I'm not trying to get more containers because the watering right now, it is a lot, but yeah, I want to grow as much as possible. So I am, leaning towards that project, getting things sorted out in my garden. So for the entire week this week, you'll basically see me doing stuff. I may drop in a one video with something else, maybe, but it's mainly stuff that I'll be doing, or I just want to show you around things that I may have done. Yeah. So this is a little bell right here that I'm getting. All of those callaloo right here, those containers I'm going to empty out. So you'll probably see it or not, but yeah. So right here I have some turnips. No, I need to get these, but the thing about it now, I'm going to try these leaves. I have some friends, gardening family abroad, and they always tell me, Stacey, why not eat the turnip leaves? They are so good. You should try it. And I don't think I've been shying away. I think I legit forgot some of the times to actually save the leaves and try them. So I'm so excited now to try them and see what their taste is like. So I am going to prepare it just the way I would prepare my callaloo or amaranth and see if I like it. Because if I do like it, I am definitely going to add this to my diet. Not big turnip, but it's a good size and I'm so grateful for it. Look at that basket. All you need to do is to turn your backyard into a thriving food forest. I said thriving because you're going to have the ups and the downs and the this and the that and the lazy gardening and the not lazy gardening. Yeah, so yeah, it's a process. So aim for that. I can't wait to try these. They look so good. Some of them I realize that whiteflies are on some of the ones um next to the one that I'm at now. But I am just going to get rid of those and work with the ones that are, you know, edible. Well, they're edible, but I don't want to have those that has the whiteflies. So I'm just going to get the rest of these. I am going to probably speed up the video a little and get back to you in the other clip.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. Now with the money in your pocket and a God in your heart. Crowd of people, what more you want? Reggae music, I play a reggae artist a chant. I hear some me born and me not transplant. What a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. A man will live on a banana boat and him a gone overboard because him say everywhere better than he have. But when him touch certain countries, see this system a fraud, him have to run back a jam down and give it its reward. What a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a sweet place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. Yes, so me born, yes, so me come from. Yes, so me live, I am me intent return. Regardless of the economical condition, you must admit this is a glorious land. So what a nice place to live.
All right, so I have a few sweet peppers or bell peppers over here. I totally forgot to put this down. The greens right here. I am getting these red bell peppers or red sweet peppers. Now these plants, I am going to strip most of the leaves off of them so that the plant can really focus on the fruits that are on there. They are pretty much very bushy, so I'm going to clean them up a bit. So I'm getting any pepper at all, even if it's not that red. Once it starts to turn red, yeah, I'm getting them because, like I said, I'm going to clean up the plants and I want to top up the soil in these containers. Just, well, replenish it a bit, yeah, so that I can get some nice ones like early out again. So, what would you like from this basket? Comment below and tell me. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good. Guys! Guys, look at that! I haven't seen this in months! Oh my god, I am super excited! Look at that! Guys, I'm getting wet, but I had was to show you. Like, I am super excited. My clothes on the line, you know. Woo! Getting wet right there, but man, those carrying out again. I am so happy for the rain. I am super happy. Oh my god, I imagine how my plants feel right now. Like, girl is on top of the world. Look at here. My word. Can you imagine? In months, I haven't had rains. Like, I had some dew, like for maybe a second. And I'm not even joking. So I am so grateful for this. My plants, I know you're loving it.
Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.